Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Um, Let me introduce myself. My name is Manuel Sariti with student ID number 2024 32043. And now I will explain my practical report about naive Bayes in machine learning lecture. So the first thing you need to do, guys, is import the library. So here I use Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Pyplot, Seaborn, and Pandas SPD, NumPy SNP, and PyPlot from Matplotlib SPLT, and Seaborn as SNS. So the next step, the next one is we set the data or do we read the data with create CSV function in Pandas library, Pandas object, and save to the data variable. So the name, so my dataset here or my data is I use the drug 200 CSV. It is the name of the data, the dataset. I using the CSV format file. So the next one, I will do want to see what is the feature the features of the data. So with data dot head, we call the head function in data frame. We got the age, sex, BP, cholesterol, and others features. It's just to see the features of the data. Next one. So here I using EDA or explanatory data analysis. So like info, describe, head, it's for EDA, but I don't visualize it. So the info we got here, the data type, its function, its features. So X is integer with 64 bit, and sex is object, cholesterol is object, and A to K is float 64 and object. So the float is 1, integer 1, and object is 4 feature. Using the describe here to see how many the data, what is mean of the data, and the quartile, and min or max of data. So the next step is take numerical features in our data sets and save it to the numerical features variable. So with looping feature for feature in data columns, if data features is not uh, O or object, so it will save the numerical feature. So we get H and NI2K is non-categorical features or numerical features. And for categorical features is if data in feature index, the types is equal O or equal object. So we got four categorical features here, like sex, BP, cholesterol, and drug. So this is the unique of the data. It's each categorical feature. So the first one is sex is F for female and M for male, and BP is high, low, normal, and cholesterol is high or normal, and drug is from drug Y, drug C, drug X, drug A, drug B. And we want to label it using label encoder from sklearn processing with the looping for feature and categorical feature. We fit transform with label encoder object fit after the system or the program is fitting the data, it transform it with the data index feature parameter. So we see here already from categorical or string, it's already give the number or label it from 0 and 1, 0, 1, 2, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can see it here already 0, 1, 1, 2, 1, cholesterol 0, 0, 0, 0. So 0 for high and normal is 1. And this is the splitting the data. First, we need to declare the x and y variable. So x is the drug feature, the column drug, and y is the drug column. So import train test split. So we will use the train test split function with x and y, the data we will splitting, and test size is equal 0.25 or 25%. So the other 75% is for training, and rate of that is 0 for make sure it's laptop every time we run it. It the model is same. The result is same. So the next one is import the model. We use Gaussian NB or Gaussian naive Bayes. From scalar naive Bayes, we save it to the model and using the fit function in the model with X train and Y train as a parameter. And we predict Y predict is model predict with X train data. Y pred test is model predict with X testing data. We see here the confusion matrix, visualizing of confusion matrix. So the model with training data in first class, or what is this? Maybe this is drug A in zero class. When the true label is 0, the model predict 0, 02 is 46 data and got wrong in one data. And when the true label is 1 or drug A, the model predict it's also a drug A or first class is around 18 data, and the model is mispredict or mislabel. The data is around 11 and until the fourth or the fifth class. And this is the confusion matrix of testing data. We can see here it's a little bit reducing for the training data into the testing. So the error just in total to 1 to maybe 6 or 7 is reduced from the training model, I think. So maybe yes, that I can explain to you guys. So, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.